This is an automatic monodose strip tube filling, an ultrasonic sealing machine by MiGrand Machinery. This machine automatically completes a series of actions, such as tube loading, filling, tail sealing, tail cutting, and finished product discharge. It is fully automatic, saving labor and reducing production costs. This machine is widely used in cosmetics, daily chemical industries, pharmaceutical, food, such as essence, eye drops, beauty serum, acidic detergents, reactive agents, body lotion, herbal scrub, food supplements, etc. Capacity 15-20 strips min. Filling range 1-10 milliliters. More details, please contact me.